Ucha, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Garden of Treats. Today, we're gonna do some harvesting. Right now, we're gonna do some kale. And one thing about the kale when harvesting, you wanna grab the leaves or the bushes from the bottom. Look at her hair. Her hair just look like kale. We're gonna make a juice and kale chips with this.
Take some more.
Yeah, man, get a couple more. I like kale chips. So our kale chips, we're gonna end up dehydrating them, and then we're gonna put some Himalaya sea salt on them and enjoy. And so we just pruned, or whatever you like to call it. And look how beautiful the root is on this kale. It's very healthy. You can tell it's very strong. And as you see right here, it's very moist, and so you can tell the plant is getting the nutrients and the water that it needs to sustain itself and to prosper. And you see the beautiful colors on it. And so now we're gonna move over to this kale.
So these are see, they got old.
So yeah, this right here, we're just gonna put this into the compost pile. That sound is so soothing. Listen, y'all. Oh, look at here. Look at these little friends right here. So look, here goes a caterpillar, y'all. Oh, look at all those caterpillars.
Oh my.
You know what?
They eating them.
What I'm gonna do is, baby, cut this one off, and we're just gonna take them. And we're gonna allow these caterpillars to go ahead and have these this piece of kales, because they need to eat, because they're gonna come back and be our pollinators, and so they deserve to eat also. And so we're just gonna put it right over here in the shade and allow them to enjoy their meal.
So many caterpillars.
All right, y'all. There's more?
Yeah, in there.
Oh, in there? Oh, so.
This one coming in the water.
And so now we're gonna do some green beans, and as y'all can see, you see the beautiful flowers. Nice, I'm gonna go ahead and prune this leaf off.
This one big enough?
Yeah, you can let it get. See, it's like, this is a good size how we like them. I like them about this size. Yeah. These are some good green beans. You sowed these directly from seed, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Into the ground.
You have a green thumb, baby. I always want you to.
Keep on growing.
So make sure y'all sow y'all some green beans, because these are delicious.
Oh my, Mark, look at this.
Oh, What is those? Oh yeah, we got those look like some type of spider ants or something. Oh yeah, we got to get those out of here. Yeah, we're gonna have to neem oil them. Yeah, I got them mostly off. I'm not sure what those are, but y'all not. They're not welcome. You might want to come to this side. I might be able to just pluck them. Let's see.
I can't even see this.
You can't see?
No. Oh, look how beautiful.
There we go. So yeah, we need these ants to make sure y'all keep those other things off our plant. You gotta get off. Y'all not. I wonder what they was doing because they wasn't eating the tomatoes.
Well, they're spiders, so they eat things.
Oh, they was spiders?
They look like spiders.
Let's see. Yeah, they may be spiders. So this is our second harvest of tomatoes.
Just a few of them right now.
Yep.
But that's all we need.
And so we got another tomato plant right here. We're gonna pluck some things. Oh, pluck some things around here. Tomato right here. So we're gonna end up putting some. So since it's starting to bend, we're gonna start training this to sit straight up because we don't want it to fall this way. So we're gonna train that.
And this one because it's so close to the other one.
Exactly. And then this one we're gonna train this way so it can grow this way. So yeah. Oh, awesome. Another thing about these
Close up.
these sheath cells right here, if you break these down, this is straight calcium into the soil. And so it's good. You can just crack those down and sand those into the soil.
Oh, another thing is we gotta take these. They're dried. So these are, this is from our mustard plants. These are seeds in here. So we have to harvest these seeds.
Let me grab some.
You can just take the whole stem.
Oh yeah. So here go the whole stem right here. And then we're gonna take the seeds.
So we haven't did it before. So we're gonna just, before we take all of them, just see how it goes.
They're small. They're very, very small.
Yeah. So we'll just empty them
Here
out
they
on
go
the
right
table.
here. All right, so y'all can do
Oh,
right here.
nice. Your hand is so close. This is close up. Yeah. Nice.
So that's what you're gonna do. And another thing I'm gonna do, give them back to the land.
Oh my. So yeah, we gotta harvest all of these seeds. You getting them all right now?
Yeah, we'll take them. We don't need all of them because the birds come by and eat these, and so we want them to make the land abundant. And so they eat them and they go poop them out across the land, and everyone gets to eat. Everyone eats these. You putting this up right here, baby?
Yeah. So this bucket has some water and vinegar. Now this is just the wash before we bring into the house. We still have to wash them when they come inside of the house. But this is just before we bring them in, so we don't track in too many bugs. And they can just sit in this water for a
Hello,
while.
beautiful kale. He's so beautiful.
You know, what happened to the tomatoes?
Oh, they in my pocket. Oh.
Oh my goodness, you freaking smushed the tomatoes.
Oh, I'm sorry, tomatoes. But look, this is what we're gonna do. Can you put these in there?
Yeah.
So check this out. Follow me, baby. Come on. So since I splattered these, you know who loves tomatoes? Squirrels, birds. We give them to the land. Oh, look at my pocket.
Wow.
Look at all those beautiful seeds. And so with these seeds,
So that's why we have a bucket to harvest things, because we don't put them in our pockets because stuff like this happens.
you're right. We're gonna save some of these seeds too.
So anyway, this is a little mini harvest, but it's our first harvest. And so we were just gonna let these sit in some vinegar and water for a little while, just to get clean. Come back out here and get them. So thank you for visiting our channel, and come back next time. And so with our kale, we made a juice. And so we put kale, pineapple, and ginger. It was really, really good.
Thank you for coming by the Garden of Treats. We look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Make sure you look out for the Tree of Treats Foundation and visit lovealways.shop for more love.